Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and we're at Kennedy Square in the car park opposite. Actually, I thought I'd just come down and check up on the I can't really call it renovation work, because they're building a new museum of Paphos here, and I covered it when they just started work a few months ago. I thought it was about time we had a little walk around again. Now what I'm going to do on this film is make it a hybrid. I'm going to do a walk around the front part near Kennedy Square, and I'm going to launch the drone, but I'll keep filming this, not to show you the footage, but just so I can record audio while I'm flying the drone, so I can comment on what we're seeing straight away rather than have it just play music. So the music's nice at times. Let's have a little peek over there. It's nice to say talk about what we're looking at. It's a typically warm Cyprus summer day. There's no special event planned for Kennedy Square at the moment. Right, it seems to recall I can cut through here actually, there's little steps down. I'll go round to the fountain, but the road beyond that is closed because of the renovation work they're doing here actually, to the old police station building. It's only closed in one direction. We'll have a look at that, and then we'll go to the drone. These are the sort of trees they planted at Coral Bay Strip. They certainly provide shade. And they don't make much of a mess on the ground either, which is why they were chosen. I think they're mastics. But they're definitely working on it. It's a Saturday, I should say, today. There's the fountain. And in a minute, we'll have a drone up above them. So we'll see what's going on. I'll just have a little artistic pan round here first of all. There's something big over there. It's already been built. You just see the concrete tip of it. I'll go and have a quick peek, and then we'll switch to the drone. Benefits of being tall. Okay, let's have the drone. Right, hopefully you're hearing me. The camera is now recording even though it's in my car, but you should still be able to get the audio. So the drone's been launched. There's the car park that's been split in two by the walkway that they're making. I'll zoom over to that first of all. You can see it's going to go quite a way. It goes through the monument to the Armenian massacre, I seem to recall, it's a park. We'll spin the drone round again. Let's look at the main work area. This is Saturday morning and they're still hard at work. And remember, if you like our content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, as it really does help YouTube promote us. And if you want to help us financially, then go to our paphoslife.com/coffee page and you can either send us a coffee or click on one of the affiliate links. But you can see already that a lot has been done, and the area by the old police stations are marked as a hive of activity. The new drone comes complete with a zoom facility, so we can focus on the old police station in a bit more detail. Meanwhile, there's the fountain. If you pan out, it's still zoomed in actually, which is a bit pointless. But we'll get Kennedy Square. We'll keep panning. And we should get the church in the centre. There it is. And then we'll get the main thoroughfare towards the Old Town Market, which you can just see coming into the distance now. There you have it, and all those trees look lovely. I've now come round the side. So I was interested to see what that funny bit of concrete we could see from the paving was. Now I can't get much view from here. However, this drone has another trick up its sleeve. That's right, I am now zoomed in 7 times. I'm not really familiar with flying in zoomed mode, so excuse the quality. What I'm doing is rotating the drone here. I think that was zoomed in too much, but there's a middle ground zoom I use as well. One thing I've realised to myself is that when I switch zoom modes, I need to remember to restart the footage, because there's some ace commentary that's been missed here. I'll have the audio for it, but there'll be no film, so that won't make a lot of sense. But anyway, they've obviously been very busy, and the work is continuing even on a Saturday. So we are keen to get it done, which is good to see. It's not due to be finished until next year anyway. But the old police station is being reborn. Right, I'm going to pan the camera out a bit. Now I'm going to go back to normal mode and just fly the drone around. But that was my report on the old police station and the work to build the new museum. Thank you for watching.